guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Jordy, and if you're new here, today's video is going to be a kind of full face Colourpop video. So majority of what I have on today is Colourpop. I'll show you exactly what I'm using, but we're also going to be doing a wear test on the new Pretty Fresh concealer. So if you're interested in my thoughts, let's get started. The first thing we're going to start off with is the Pretty Fresh primer. So this is a hydrating hyaluronic acid primer. I like that primer because it's pretty hydrating. It feels pretty smooth on the skin too, and it doesn't make you look overly greasy. Next, we're gonna go in with the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Tinted Moisturizer. This is in the shade Deep Dark 21W. I do have a wear test on this product. I'm gonna go in with a brush to use this. So as you can see, the tinted moisturizer is very lightweight on the skin, but I feel like it just gives you a nice even tone. It doesn't look overly heavy, which I like, and the tinted moisturizer does wear pretty well. So if you did watch my video, you know that it wore pretty well on my skin. So the thing that I'm going to be testing out today is actually the Pretty Fresh concealer, and I have it in the shade Dark 175N. This little box is cute, and this is the packaging. This is cute. This little peachy tone. I'm living. Yes, I like it. Yes, see. Yes, Colourpop. All right, so the doe foot applicator is one of those flat applicators, and again, this is 175 neutral. Oh, I like that color. So this is just what I got out of the packaging. I didn't dip in any more, so that looks like a good amount of product. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that out. So let me just give you some information about the concealer. The concealer is supposed to be oil-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, and good for all skin types. It is supposed to be a long-wearing, full-coverage, creamy concealer infused with hydrated ingredients for a natural, fresh finish. I don't know if it's full coverage. I mean, it blends out pretty easily. That's really pretty. It blends out very nicely. I like the finish of it. It doesn't have full coverage, but it's definitely medium. So let's see how it builds up. Pop a little bit more here. Alright, so that's what my complexion is looking like. I like this concealer so far. So good. It blends out very nicely. Like, very nicely. As you can see, it's buildable. I wouldn't say it's like full coverage though. Buildable coverage. Alright, we're gonna set our under eyes. I'm going in with the Mented Loose Setting Powder in Medium Deep. I really like this powder. Yeah, I don't use a lot of powder. Next, I'm gonna go in with Cream Blush and Cream Highlighter from Colourpop. I really like these products. The blush that I'm gonna be using is Roosevelt. I don't know, which one do I wanna use? I think I'm gonna use both. I have Invite Only and Roosevelt. I'm gonna start off with Roosevelt. Went in with this lip bar brush. So that color was Invite Only. And then this one is Roosevelt. It's a little bit lighter. I'm gonna pop that one right here. Yep. All right, and then for highlighter, we're going in with Acting Up. It's like a champagne-y color. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do my brows off camera because I don't have a Colourpop brow product right now. I finished it and I didn't rebuy it because it wasn't my favorite. So I'm just going to do my brows with my regular product and I'll come back and show you what else I'll be doing. So I have my brows done at the moment. It's just a simple brow. I am mixing a little bit of the Pretty Fresh concealer with the Anastasia eyeshadow base. And I am just applying that over my lid. I'm going to be going in with the Colourpop and Disney Midnight Masquerade palette. I actually bought this for my 6-year-old. It was her birthday in October and I bought this for her because we were going to Disney, so it was a fitting theme. But I'm gonna use it today. Hopefully she doesn't have a problem with me using it. But I'm gonna go in with the shade Pip. It's a neutral, like browny color. It's very light. It's just gonna be like a neutral color. Going in with the shade Gaston. Alright, I zoomed in a little bit closer. Next, we're going in with Quasimodo. I'm gonna go in with Jolly. I don't know if I'm saying that right. It's D-J-A-L-I. What is that from? Dijali? I don't know. It's pretty. With the shade Nutmeg to blend the edges of Quasimodo and that gold shimmer. I'm gonna go in with Mrs. Potts. Place that on the inner part of my eye. Alright. That's what I'm gonna do so far with the Midnight Masquerade palette. I'm gonna go with a little bit of pressed glitter. Alright, so I have these pressed glitters from Colourpop. I'm gonna go with the shade. It's called Get Lost. And I'm just using my finger and picking up a little bit. It does have some chunky glitter in it, so be careful. Alright, so that is what my eyes are looking like so far. I'm just going to go ahead and finish that up, smoke it out a bit. On the bottom lash line, pop some lashes on, and I'll come back and show you what lip I'll be using. Alright guys, so just to finish eye look, I smoked out the bottom lash line with some of Quasimodo and Gaston. And I have on a black liner from Lip Bar. The lashes that I have on are beautiful. Look at them, they're so wispy. These are the Jolivet lashes in the style Sherill. I just want you to see the name right there, Sherill, but I do have them on. They're more of a wispy lash. I'll leave them linked down below. They're really pretty. I love them. All right, so let's do our lip. For lip liner, I'm going in with BFF4 from Colourpop. It's a dark brown. For my lip, I'm going in with the Ultra Satin Lip in Slow Down. Okay, so if you're familiar with my channel, then you know that this is like my go-to nude lip combo. I love this. So this is what it looks like if you just want it to be more flat on the lip, more matte. It's comfortable, it's not drying at all, but of course I'm gonna put on gloss because I like gloss. Alright, so this is the So Juicy lip gloss in NASA. Final thing that we're gonna do is go ahead and just set the face with the Hyaluronic Skin Mist. I like how this turned out. I love the glitter. That palette is really nice. It's really nice. It's so funny that I bought this for my child. But I like the way that it blends. It's really nice. Blended really well so far. All the shades that I used were pretty good. No patchiness at all. The glitter is beautiful. Keep in mind that the glitters are a bit more chunky, so they are not eye safe. Just be careful with the way that you apply them. As you can see, I kept most of it concentrated towards the center of my eye. I didn't want to bring it too much down into the inner corner, or you don't want to place on your bottom lash line, just to be on the safe side. So we're gonna wear the concealer for the remainder of the day, but I'll come back and I'll give you my thoughts on that. End of the night. I've had this makeup on for 8 hours now, and as you can see, Tinted Moisturizer is pretty light coverage, but we're testing the concealer today. I'm recording on my phone, so it's weird, but it looks pretty good, you guys. Definitely more medium buildable coverage. I would not say this is full, but I feel like it looks very skin-like, very lightweight, which is really good. So everything will be listed down in the description box down below if you're interested in everything. Majority of it is Colourpop. Leave the shade names of everything that I use if you guys are interested in trying it out. If you're new here, I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And if you haven't, please give this video a thumbs up because it helps me out. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.